Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy. Today we'll be showing you how to create your face logo design. First, using the PicsArt app, select an image of your preference. Now go to cutouts and select the portrait cutout. With the eraser, remove the excess. Save the cutout. Go to Effects and select Black and White under Colors. Click Done. Next, go to Draw. In the Layers section, choose the color White. Place the white layer below the cutout layer and add in a new empty layer. Now select the brush in the color White. Use this to erase the edges of the cutout as shown. From the Layers section, click on the three dots and merge the top two layers. Decrease the size of the cutout to adjust it onto the white background. For further enhancement, click the three dots in the Layers section and transform the cutout layer. Make sure that you leave plenty of space around the cutout. Go to Layers and add in another empty layer. Select Shapes and choose the circle. Select the brush in the color Black and create the shape. Adjust it around the cutout. Create additional 2 circles around the first one. After completion, go to Layers and select the cutout layer. Select the eraser, decrease its size slightly and smooth out the edges. Click Done. Now select Text. Type in the name of your choice. Choose the color Black and the font of your choice. Then adjust the text onto the image. Click Done. Moving on, go to Add Photo and add in a pre-downloaded image as shown. Cover the entire project with the image and use Blend and Screen. Adjust it onto the image to get your preferred look. Click Done and save the image. For the next steps, we will be using the Lightroom app. So upload the image you just created. Select color and adjust the stats as per your liking. Similarly, select Effects and adjust the stats as per your preference. Go back and forth until satisfied with the look. Save the image. Your custom logo is ready. So that's it for the tutorial. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video and speak your mind in the comment section below. on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.